Good morning, Robert. This is Richard at Tameron Honda. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your online inquiry and introduce you to the all-new redesigned CR-V. This is the LX package and that white diamond pearl that you inquired about. What an amazing color. Also, I want to show you the inside. We've got this beautiful ivory interior, cloth seats that you'll love. So please give me a call, 205-541-2862. I'll be sure to have this car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, I'm Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. If I can promise you one thing when you get to Tameron, you are going to love the way you're treated.